You don't need to be a Muslim to stand up for Kashmiris. You just need to be a human. Dear audience, oppression can never be justified. Today is 5th Feb and it is being observed as a Kashmir Solidarity Day throughout the world wherever humans live. It has been more than 18 months that the Kashmiris have been locked down and confined to their houses. Their schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, medical stores, markets, bazaars, business, even everything has been shut down. The whole valley has been turned into the largest prison on this earth. I dare to ask all those who pretended to be the champions of human rights. And where are so-called NGOs of human rights? Don't they observe any violence of human rights in occupied Kashmir? What happened to their senses? Where is their conscience? I think that must have slept because Kashmiris are Muslims and the Muslims are, in their eyes, are not humans. That is why these so-called champions of human rights are not paying any attention toward the Indian brutality in occupied Kashmir and the burning valley, which was ever known as a paradise on earth. Is it not their double standard and double face? ए दुनिया के मुनसिफों, सलामती के ज़ामिनों, कश्मीर की जलती वादी में बहते लहू का शोर सुनो. India was the first one who took this issue to UN Security Council in 1948. But since then, itself has been denying the UN Security Council's resolutions for holding the plebiscite and giving the right of self-determination to the Kashmiris. Here the question arises, if UNO is so helpless and unable to get its resolutions complied, then what is its use? There is a big question mark on its existence. Is it not a dilemma that 57 Muslim countries and 1.5 billion of Muslims are completely helpless and unable to compel India to stop its state terrorism and lift the curfew in occupied Kashmir? I ask the noblest of the world, is there no one who could stop Modi from massacring the innocent Kashmiris? कुरान says, ये यहूदो निसारा कभी तुम्हारे दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. No one knows when the rulers would understand that. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Muslims are just like a body. If one part of the body pains, the whole body comes in trouble. I ask, what type of a body? I repeat, what type of a body we the Muslims are? Because it seems as nobody is feeling any kind of pain of Kashmiris. In fact, we the Muslims have turned into a dead body. It must be buried immediately. It is our irresponsible and inhuman attitude that we the Muslims are being humiliated everywhere in the world. What is the reason behind? Think a while. If we are humans, we must feel the pains and sorrows of Kashmiris and strongly raise our voice against inhuman activities and state terrorism of India in occupied Kashmir. Here I remind you people, we are the inheritors of great conquerors like Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, Khalid bin Walid, Tariq bin Ziyad, and Muhammad bin Qasim. Let's unite and defeat all the evil forces on this earth. Remember, not gold, but only men can make our nation great and strong. Men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. Said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Dear audience, मैं इस शेर के साथ अपनी स्पीच का इख्तिताम करना चाहूँगा। माँ, कश्मीर तो जन्नत है ना, जन्नत में फिर तूफ़ान है क्यों? हक तो हैवानों के भी हैं, दर्द में फिर इंसान है क्यों? If you are agree to the thoughts, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.